Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best binoculars for hunting you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Hunting may need a great lot of patience and ability, but without a decent pair of eyes, you won't see much action. Binoculars for hunting are only second to your weapon of choice in terms of necessity. However, not all binoculars are designed with hunting in mind. That's why finding the right pair for the job is so important. It's simple to get started, just Google hunting binoculars, but it's harder to sort through all the brands and features. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Vortex Optics Viper HD 10x42 Hunting Binoculars. The Vortex Optics Viper HD 1042 binoculars are the best hunting binoculars on the market, with an exceptional mix of performance and durability. You won't have any trouble detecting a distant object thanks to the 10x magnification and wide field of view. These hunting binoculars are built to resist the harshest outdoor conditions and may be the only pair you'll ever need. This unit is waterproof and fogproof, with an O-ring seal that keeps dirt and debris out. Even in low light conditions, the Viper's HD, extra low dispersion glass gives unrivaled resolution and color fidelity. At rated distances, images are simply sharp and clear. These hunting binoculars come with a carry case, neck strap, lens cover, and weather shield, in addition to the obvious quality and durability. Perhaps most importantly, you'll get a lifetime warranty from Vortex, which is known for its exceptional customer service. If the Viper has a glaring flaw, it's the eye relief, which makes viewing with glasses a less enjoyable experience. On number 2, Hontry Binoculars. The Hontry Binoculars' ridiculously low price is likely to be the first thing you notice about them. We didn't expect much for the price, but they're advertised as hunting binoculars, so we thought they were worth a try. After all, who doesn't appreciate low-cost gear? We were blown away by the ultralight weight of its small folding shape when we first held them. They are lighter than most of the binoculars on this list, weighing only 0.6 pounds. Obviously, the compact size has some disadvantages. First, at 10 mm, the eye relief is quite narrow, making it unsuitable for anyone who wears spectacles. The picture quality isn't fantastic either, but that's to be expected at such a low price. They're not the binoculars we'd recommend, but if you're in a pinch and on a budget, they might suffice for a time. On number 1, Carson 3D Series High Definition Waterproof Binoculars. These binoculars offer good optical quality in a waterproof and fogproof casing, but they're way too expensive for the quality and features they offer. Though the image quality is adequate, the field of view is relatively limited at only 314 feet. They have a 16 mm extra long eye relief, which is ideal for people who wear glasses. The eye cups, on the other hand, are quite loose and don't feel well built. When it comes to low quality, the whole feel of these binoculars is disappointing, especially given the expensive price. Several pairs we examined that cost a fraction of this amount seemed more solidly constructed. That's a losing mix for us, and we can't ignore it. We might be fans if these binoculars were a third of the price. We are unable to recommend them at this time. So guys, this was the video about the best binoculars for hunting. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.